Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what I believe is the best fishing tackle box with waterproof compartments, the KastKing HyperSeal Waterproof Fishing Tackle Box. This box is designed for anglers who want to keep their gear organized, secure, and completely protected from water damage. Let's break down why this tackle box stands out and why it might be the last one you'll ever need. First, let's talk about sizing and storage. The HyperSeal comes in two popular options, the 3600 and the 3700. Both are designed to fit seamlessly into standard tackle bags or boat storage systems. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a serious angler with a wide variety of lures, you'll find that there's plenty of space for crankbaits, jerkbaits, spinners, spoons, hooks, and other terminal tackle. This flexibility makes it incredibly versatile and a reliable companion for any fishing trip. A key feature of the HyperSeal is its adjustable and removable dividers. This lets you fully customize the interior layout to fit different lure sizes and shapes. Once the dividers are locked into place, your hooks and terminal tackle won't move around or mix together during transport. The dividers even come with small ventilation holes, and each box includes a desiccant pack. That means your lures stay dry, organized, and free from rust while being stored away. The transparent lid makes it easy to quickly identify what's inside without opening the box, saving you time when you're out on the water. Now let's look at what sets this tackle box apart from ordinary storage solutions: its waterproof construction. The KastKing HyperSeal is designed with a heavy-duty frame and a specialized sealing ring on the lid that keeps water completely out. It's not just water-resistant, it's waterproof. Combine that with its shock and wear-resistant build, and you have a box that not only protects your gear from moisture but also from the bumps and knocks that happen on any fishing trip. The secure latch system ensures everything stays in place, giving you peace of mind in rough conditions. Another thoughtful feature is the one-hand open and close latching system. If you've ever been holding a rod in one hand and trying to open a tackle box with the other, you'll appreciate just how convenient this is. It's quick, secure, and saves time, especially when you need to switch lures fast. In terms of design, the KastKing HyperSeal is durable, functional, and built with anglers in mind. The orange accents not only look sharp but also make the box easy to spot among your gear. With different size and pack options available, you can choose exactly what suits your needs, whether that's a single box or a multi-pack. So to sum it up, the KastKing HyperSeal Waterproof Fishing Tackle Box delivers everything you could want in a tackle storage system: customizable organization, rust prevention, shock and wear resistance, true waterproofing, and one-hand convenience. If you're tired of dealing with rusty hooks, tangled lures, or flimsy boxes that don't hold up, this is the upgrade that will change your fishing experience. That wraps up today's product critique. If you're looking for a tackle box that can withstand the elements and keep your gear safe and organized, the KastKing HyperSeal should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.